Michiana Heating and Air Conditioning is excited to announce the grand opening of our second location in Coloma, Michigan.
With our huge inventory of Carrier product, call us today will beat any written estimate.
Call us today to take advantage of a $79 furnace tune-up. And for a limited time, you will receive a free duct cleaning with any qualified equipment purchase. Need financing? We can help. We offer 0% interest for up to 5 years and rent to own. Turn to the experts at Michiana Heating and Air Conditioning and Carrier.